It's Mrs. B and me.
Hi, little friend. It's Mrs. B here, and Billy Bumble's here with me.
Hello.
Yeah, Billy was just telling me about his first week back at school. You were in kindergarten last year, Billy?
Yep.
And what grade are you in now?
I'm in first grade.
First grade. So I was just asking Billy how his first week back at school went. So how did it go, Billy?
Oh, it was okay.
It was okay. You sound a little sad when you say okay. How come it was only okay?
Well, you see, I wasn't able to make a lot of friends the first day, so I just kind of sat alone at recess.
You sat alone at recess. And how about when the rest of the week went by? Did it get better each day that went by? Did you make any friends?
No, I don't think I have. I haven't been trying to talk to people, but in the end I'm just nervous.
You're nervous. You tried to talk to people and you're nervous. Would you like me to help you with that, Billy? Are you hoping to make new friends this year at school?
Yeah, well, okay, if you say so.
Okay, so I was actually thinking, when you were in kindergarten last year, Billy, did you make friends in kindergarten?
Oh yeah, I sure did. There was Mike Mesquite.
Mike Mesquite, yeah?
And there was Billy Sting.
Billy Sting, hey, he's got the same first name as you.
Yeah, that's why we got along so well.
They got along so well. So let me ask you, Billy, when you first went to kindergarten, were you already friends with them?
No.
No. So how did you become friends with them?
Oh, well, I just met with them one day, and we started talking, and, well, we really started to enjoy each other's company.
Wow, so you started talking with them. Did you do anything else, like besides talking with them? Was there anything else you did?
We did play activities with each other.
So you played together, and who would start the activity? Would you go and ask them if you could play with them, or did they come and ask you? How did it happen?
Sometimes I would start it, and other times they would start, and then I'd ask to join.
That's so great. So, Billy, so you've talked about a couple of things, right? You talked about the fact that you started talking to them, you asked if you could join them when they were playing, and then you started hanging out together. So I'm wondering, Billy, that seemed to work for you last year. Do you think any of that you could try for grade 1? I know you said you've tried talking to people. Is there something else you think you could try that's worked for you before?
Well, maybe I could try asking to join in activities that people do.
That's a great idea, little friend. That is something you can do too. If you're alone at recess, you can just see if other kids will let you play. If they're playing something, ask if you can play with them. Or you could even start up your own play group, right? Maybe you decide you want to play ball, and you see there's a couple of other kids maybe that are hanging out by themselves, right, Billy? You could just go up to them and you can say, hey, you want to play ball with me? That's a really good idea, Billy. So you know it's worked for you in the past, so just try it. And you too, little friend, if you're at school and you're having the same thing, kind of feeling awkward, maybe you're even feeling like, am I going to be by myself the whole year without a friend? You actually can do things to help make a friend. And something, Billy and little friend, I want you guys to always remember is don't give up. It might not work out the first time you try, but try again, okay?
You know what? You're right, Mrs. B. Even if it hasn't worked the first time, I can still try again and maybe do something else.
That's right. And maybe you just need to ask someone new. Sometimes that works too. If you ask someone and they say no, you could ask them again and maybe they'll say yes that time. But if they say no again, just ask someone different. But Billy and little friend, I want you guys to always know that you are awesome. No matter who you play with and whether they say yes or no, you're still awesome anyway. So, you know what, Billy? I hope that helps you. And next time I see you, I'm going to ask you all about it. So try it this coming week at school and see how things go.
Okay, Mrs. B.
Now, before you go, little friend, and Billy Bumble, here's a hug from me to you and a kiss. I love you too. Bye.
Bye.